Welcome to RHCSA Guru. In this session, you'll explore how to monitor and manage processes in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. You'll learn how to inspect disk space, monitor file and directory usage, and capture network packets. Now let's start. Processes are the program currently running on a system. Firstly, to view all the running processes on the system, type PS command and press Enter. All active processes appear on screen. Step 2. To display all active processes in a hierarchical tree format, type PS tree and hit Enter. All the processes can be seen in a tree format. Step 3. For detailed information of all active processes, type PSCF and press Enter. After running PSCF command, a detailed information of process appears on the screen. Step 4. The df command is used to check disk space usage for all mounted file systems. Type df and hit Enter. Note that the output can be seen in bytes. Step 5. Execute dfh command to show disk usage in a simpler readable format. Type df h command and click Enter. This command converts values in kilobyte, megabyte, or gigabyte, making it simpler to understand. Step 6. In this step, we will run t-option with df command, which will display each mounted file system's type, along with its disk space usage. Type dft command and hit Enter. File system types, along with disk usage details for all mounted file system, has been displayed. Step 7. In this step, we will use the do command to examine file and directory usage. Running do / command shows usage for each file and directory in the root. Type do / and hit Enter for running the command. For returning to terminal, press Ctrl+C. Step 8. Use do with more command to view output page by page. The NR option sorts it in reverse. Type the command in terminal and hit Enter. This command shows disk usage sorted in reverse order, page by page. Press Q key to exit. Step 9. Use the Uptime command to check how long the system has been running, the current time, number of logged-in users, and load averages over 1, 5, and 15 minutes. Step 10. Now we will use top command to view running processes in real time. It shows CPU usage, memory usage, and other process details. Press Q key to exit. Step 11. Use the free command O check memory usage. It shows the total, used, and free memory on the system. In Step 12, we will use freem to display memory usage in megabytes. Type freem and hit Enter. Step 13. The isof command shows all open files on the system, along with the processes and their IDs. To use it, first install isof with dnf install isof command. Type command in terminal and click Enter, and it will install isof. After installing isof, we can list open files, check which processes use specific files or ports, monitor network connections, and troubleshoot resource usage. Step 14. Use TCP dump command to capture network packets sent and receive on the system. Firstly, install it with dnf install TCP dump. We will clear the terminal and type dnf install TCP command for installing, and also type tibdump command so that it will run after being installed. Once installed, this tool will allow us to capture and monitor network packets being transmitted and received on the system. Here we can see captured and received network packets. Step 15. Use netset to view active network connections, routing tables, interface stats, masquerade connections, and multicast membership. Step 16. Now we will use the RNV option with netstat to display the routing table in numeric format, including destinations, gateways, and interfaces. Step 17. In this step, we'll use the netstatic command to view all network connections and listening ports on the system. This provides a detailed view of both active and waiting connections, helping you monitor network activity more effectively. Step 18. Next, we'll use the netstat command to view all TCP connections on the system. This helps you see active TCP sessions and monitor ongoing network communication. Step 19. Now, let's use the netstat command to display all UDP connections on the system. This allows you to monitor active UDP traffic and ongoing data transfer. Step 20. In this step, we'll use the vmstat command to check virtual memory statistics on the system. This command provides memory usage, paging, disk I/O, and CPU performance. Congratulations! You've successfully finished the exercise. Mark the lab as completed